Hi, it's Raj. In this video, I will show you how to replace the rechargeable battery in this Eveready HL-52 emergency light. So, let's begin.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So, this is a faulty unit which requires battery replacement. As you can see, the battery performance has degraded and is close to end of its life. So, Eveready is using a 6 volt 4.5 ampere hour valve regulated lead acid battery in their HL-51 and 52 models, and I have managed to grab a UPLUS brand battery having the same spec and similar dimensions from an offline dealer for around 350 rupees. Next, we need some tools like a Phillips head screwdriver, a prying tool and a soldering iron. In order to open the HL-52 unit, you need to remove 7 screws. Out of the 7, 3 are easily accessible. One is below the warranty seal, 2 behind the adjustable part, and finally 1 in the hinge of the adjustable part. In order to access the final screw, you need to remove the hinge cap. After removing the screws, carefully pry open the unit from the top side. Now it's time to detach the battery. Release the zip tie to free the wires. Lift up the battery. You can see the terminals are soldered to the unit. So desolder them and detach carefully, starting with the negative terminal and then the positive terminal. Now strip and clean the 2 wires and solder it to the new battery, starting with the positive terminal and then the negative terminal. Care should be taken not to short the terminals during the process. Check whether the unit is working or not. Finally, arrange the wires with zip tie. In some cases, the battery may wobble inside the unit after closing it. This is due to the minor size differences. You can manage it by stuffing some paper or cardboard in between. Now let's close the unit. Make sure the button caps are correctly aligned. Next, carefully tighten all the 7 screws back in. And don't forget to put back the hinge cap. That's it. We have successfully replaced the old battery with a new one. You can find the battery and tool links in the video description. But as I said earlier, it's better to buy the battery from an offline dealer. So that's it. Hope the video was useful. Peace.